Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to display the speed of an aircraft in the Flightradar24 app. If you are curious about tracking flights and want to see real-time speed information, this guide will make it simple. First, open the Flightradar24 app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the gear icon located at the bottom left. Then, scroll down through the list of available options until you find the section labeled Aircraft Label. After that, tap on Text Labels. Next, select Speed from the list of options. Then, tap on OK to save your changes. Finally, go back to the main map screen and select any aircraft. You will now see the speed of the aircraft displayed along with other flight details. This feature makes it much easier to track the performance and movement of planes in real time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.